Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to use the Binance mobile application, a complete step-by-step guide. So when you first download the Binance mobile application, it's very complicated. So just to keep it simple, we have to check these options at the bottom. Okay. Now I will first click on home. So this is the home screen. Now if you go to market and if you go to spot, so as you can see at the top, there are multiple options: the BUSD, USDT, BNB, BTC, alts, and fiat. So if we go to BUSD, meaning at the left side, if you see there are various pairs. So you can exchange your BUSD coin for buying these tokens or coin. So we will just take the example of SHIB BUSD, that is Shiba Inu BUSD. Now if you click on it and press on buy, okay. Now if you see over here, it's kept at market. Market meaning the purchase would be done at the market price. So currently this is the market price. So your transaction would be completed at this price. So one Shiba Inu would be approximately equal to 0.00002344 BUSD. And now let's take an example like if I want to like buy for 30 BUSD, as you can see currently there is a insufficient balance because I don't have BUSD in my wallet. Now the second option that most of the people will use is limit. Limit meaning you don't buy it at the current market price. If you want to lower the price of this, like if you want to wait for the market to crash or the price of the specific token or coin to fall down, then you just type in the amount that you want to buy over here. Like let's say if I want to buy this Shiba Inu for 0.000023 and I want to buy around a million tokens, so that would roughly cost me 23 BUSD. So this is for Shiba Inu, and there are other options also that are available, like you can buy Jasmine. Then there are other cryptocurrencies also available. Now this was for BUSD. You can do the similar thing for USDT, BNB, BTC, alts, and fiat. On the right hand side of the pair, if you can see that 5x and 3x, that is the leverage that is available. That means you can buy these coins at a leverage margin of 5x or 3x. So this was about the spot. Now if we go in the futures, so futures is a bit of risky trading. It is not advisable for newbie or amateurs because you have the potential to make lot of money, but at the same time you can make big losses, and basically your account can go to zero. So we will talk about the futures in some time. Now if you go in zone, if you see there are various zones that are available. So one is innovation, DeFi, ETFs, BSE, POS, NFT, Launchpad. So zone is nothing but the new coins offering. Usually whatever new coins are available in the market, those would be listed over here. So if you see over here, it's ApeCoin. ApeCoin is from Ape Yacht Club, which is like NFT collection. Then Green Metaverse Token, Anchor Protocol. Now if you individually check on all zone, so as you can see, these are all the new coins that are available. You can directly buy this with Binance. Now the second option at the bottom side, if we go over here, this would be trades. Now we will click on trade. Okay, it is a bit similar to market. Now if you click over here, as you can see, this is the BNB versus the other cryptocurrency. Like you pay in BNB and buy this cryptocurrency over here, and the zones. Now the third thing is futures. Futures is So if we go in USDM, so basically you are going to pay USDT, which is Tether, and you buy a certain cryptocurrency. Okay, as you can see, there are a lot of options that are available in futures. So basically future is like you determine the price of the specific altcoin or cryptocurrency in the future, and there are two types of leverages that are available. One is isolated and one is cross. So now let's take an example, like if you have lot of future trading that is going on, it's better to keep it in cross, because it will use the whole of your amount that is in your future wallets, in case if there is a margin call. In case of isolated, the margin call is only specific to that particular trade that you have done. Now, since this is a very risky component, this is not advisable for newbie or amateurs. And if you click over here, you can see the kind of leverage. So it is giving around 125x leverage. But be careful while taking the leverage, because on 125%, even if the cryptocurrency drops by 0.8%, you will lose all your money that you have invested in the futures. So yes, pretty much that is. And if you go in the wallet, currently right now I have hide my balances because this is just for a video purpose. So if you see, there are multiple options like spot. Like you can, spot is basically like you have already bought the coins and this is lying here in your spot wallet. So you can use this balance to actually earn. So in super it's not available. So if you check over here, if you go to Binance Earn, so if you click on here, if you go to Binance Earn, and there are multiple options, like if you go to subscribe to earn, so there are options like lock staking. Lock staking is basically like your funds would be locked for a certain period. Now if you see this anchor protocol, okay, the funds are locked for 90 days, but in return what you are getting is 29.42% returns per annum. Okay, now if we go at the bottom, then there is something called as a flexible savings. Flexible savings is basically like you open up a kind of fixed deposit where you will receive 10% per annum, but there is no lock-in. That means you can take out the money at any given point of time you want. So this is flexible. And there are two more options of something called as a staking and pool farming. So basically you put in your money in the specific stake and you stake your tokens, meaning you receive some additional rewards that can be another altcoin or the same coin, and it will start reflecting in your spot account. So if you can see, I have already like invested in staking, liquidity farming, and flexible savings. I have flexible savings. I keep it a lot because in case if the market rises very quickly, I will take out all this flexible savings that I have and sell it off and wait for the market to crash and buy another cryptos. So this was with regards to the option at the bottom. Now if we go over here, if we click on more, okay, then you will get more options like send, auto invest. Auto invest is nothing but let's say if you have opened flexible savings, if you are earning some percentage of returns every day on it, so basically that interest that you have earned, it's automatically gets invested. So basically you are doing a compounding effect on this. Swap farming is nothing but basically you swap in between tokens, and staking, which I've already explained. They also have something called as a Binance NFT. If you click over here, if you go in the Binance NFT, you can purchase NFTs with BUSD and Ethereum. So you can check out for a good collection if you are an NFT lover, and you can go and purchase. If we click on the pool, there are various pools that are available. So this is Bitcoin mining pool, BCS pool, smart pool. We don't have to go in all of this for the now. And right now, as you can see, if we go in the savings, so Axie Infinity is giving 20% returns per annum. So these are all the flexible savings that are available. That means you can take out the money anytime you want. If we go in the locked one, so 7 days, 15 days, so your funds would be locked in for those particular amount. Now if you check for Axie Infinity, for 15 days it is giving 70% return per annum. Please note that it's not 70% for 15 days, it's an annualized return. That means you have to divide 70% by 12, because there are 12 months in a year, and divided by 2, which is 15 days. So you can make the calculation as to how much interest you will earn in that 15 days. And auto invest is, as I've already told, you can create your own auto invest portfolio where it keeps on investing every time. Now you have the option of transfer and buy crypto. So if we want to buy a certain specific crypto, then if you go over here, you can buy. Let's say if I want to buy for $5,000. Now if I click on continue, so here you can get the option to pay with cards. See, it depends on country to country, because there are options where direct deposit at times is not possible for a specific country or a specific fiat. Now if I go to spot, and if I click on deposit, if I click on fiat, so these are the fiat that are available. One is the Australian dollar, Brazilian real. So these are the currencies that are currently available. Now again we will click on more. Now there is an option called a sell to card. I'm sure most of you won't be using it, because in this, I mean, you can create a card and send it to your friends or family members. And then there is another option where you can actually send your cryptocurrency from one specific wallet to another. Now let's say example, like if you are using a Trust wallet or a MetaMask wallet, you can actually send money from Binance to them. Now the option is referral program. Now if you can see, there are two types of referral. One is a light referral. Light referral meaning if you refer your friend or family members, and if they start trading with the Binance, they have to make an initial deposit of $50. Once they do that, once they have completed the KYC, then both you and your family member will receive this $50. And then there is a standard referral. Standard referral is basically you are referring someone to Binance, and once they start trading with Binance, you will receive a certain percentage of the fee from their trade. So if we go to do this ranking listing, so this guy has earned around 5.5 BTC just from referring others in the past 24 hours. So yes, people are making huge kind of money in the referral also. I will leave a link in the description for my referral code. Please feel free to use it, because it really helps my channel grow, and also you will receive the benefit. So this was with regards to referral. Now there is a reward center. Reward center is at times Binance gives you a certain kind of reward. So see, as you can see, they come up with this trial fund, and cashback voucher. So there are certain tasks that you need to do in order to receive this. At times it's free. Now if you go to the task center, see this. I have already been rewarded this trial funds, like 1000 BUSD, 10 BUSD. Now if we go in trade, the first option is convert. Convert meaning you can convert from one crypto to another crypto, spot, which I've already told you, like you can trade BUSD, USDT, or any other cryptos. Margins and future is more of a derivative concept, which is risky for the newcomers in crypto. The third option, which some people might use, because in some countries the direct deposit or bank transfer option is not possible. In this case, you have to use something called as a P2P. P2P is nothing but a person to person transaction. Now, let's say if you want to buy this USDT, I won't click on this because if I click on this, I need to complete the trade. But right now, I'm not looking to put in the money in my wallet. So if you go on buy, then a person's name and his bank account details will come, where you will need to transfer the funds and notify them that you have transferred the funds, and they will release that amount of token in your account. So this is basically the P2P trading. And if you go with P2P again, these are the available currencies where you can do P2P trading. So there are a lot of currencies where you can do P2P trading. That is, uh, you can buy from your mate in your home country, and then there are some fan tokens and Binance NFTs. And if we go to earn this auto invest, I've already told you liquidity farming. Liquidity farming is nothing but like you farm a specific token, like you keep on earning rewards every time you stake the token on staking pool and launchpad, BNB vault, Polkadot auction. So these are some of the options that are available. And these are finance meaning you can buy a crypto card over here and gift it to someone. Then crypto loans, these options is also available. Crypto loans is nothing but you have to keep a certain kind of security with Binance, and they will release a small amount of, the equivalent amount of loan to you, and that loan you can use it to buy any other tokens or use for future trading. It's up to you. And then they have this Binance Academy, where you can check the latest news, what's happening in the current market, and this is social media and communities news research, and they have their own blog and the leaderboard, and they have this support system. If you see over here at the top, there is a notification tab where I'm following certain people, and uh, whatever transaction they are doing, I'm able to like follow them and track them. And if you go down, these are the currently hottest traded coins out there, who are the top gainers in this, who are the top losers, and 24 hours volume. So yes, pretty much this is about the Binance mobile application. If you still have any doubts or queries, please feel free to leave a comment in the description. I will reply you as soon as possible. So hopefully you guys like my video. Thank you for watching, guys.